I am absolutely obsessed with the new Netflix show The Brother's Son. If you haven't seen it, you must, and like any good Asian show, it features plenty of Asian food. I was particularly interested in this Samyang Noodles Hack, which I've never tried before, and so
I got it.
it is super simple to put together. You crunch up the noodles and add in the spice pack. I accidentally got the 3x spicy and I'm a little scared of the spice, but let's give this a go. And honestly, not bad. A little spicy sometimes, but not bad. I still think I prefer my bulldog noodles cooked though, but I would totally do this again. But have you tried and what do you think?